The OPPO Find N5 is poised to set a new benchmark in the foldable smartphone market with its ultra-slim design. The Find N5 will be the world's thinnest foldable flagship, featuring a thickness between 3.5 and 4 mm when unfolded, surpassing the Honor Magic V3's 4.4 mm. This sleek profile is achieved without compromising performance. The device is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring robust performance for demanding tasks. Additionally, the Find N5 is anticipated to house a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, supporting wireless charging and satellite connectivity, enhancing user convenience. The camera system is likely to include a triple-camera setup developed in collaboration with Hasselblad, featuring high-resolution sensors and a periscope lens for professional-grade photography. Initially set to launch in China in February 2025, the Find N5 may also debut globally as the OnePlus Open 2, reflecting the strategic partnership between OPPO and OnePlus. This innovative approach underscores OPPO's commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology in a refined, user-friendly design.